What up, YouTube? So I got a quick little bike check. So she's a 93 DR250. Don't laugh, she's a 250. She's got a 6-speed trans in her though. And she rips, man. 30 horsepower at somewhere like 7,000 RPM, I don't remember. We got new tires, new brakes. Rocking my number 19. Got EBC brakes front and rear, the reds. New chain. I think it's a DID FMF pipe. It's an EBC brakes though. I call her my zebra. It's Zuki the zebra, and she is plated California legal. It's one of the reasons I also like her. I was looking at getting like a DR350 or something, and I just happened to come across this bike, and I gotta say I really do like riding this bike, especially with the 6-speed. Some of the other ones I've heard you can't even get them past like 75 or so miles an hour. This bike does 75 plus really easy, especially with the six gear in there. I do not believe the sprocket is original, so I've never counted it. I really don't give a shit. So the gearing's great. I mean, you could basically let the clutch out in first at like a half a mile an hour, and you're not going to stall this bike. So pro taper grips, stock bars for now. This is a Djebel or something. I forget how you say it. So normally the 250s, they're SE, they're a 5-speed. This is a weird 6-speed bike from the factory. This is not original here. And it's a couple other little things have been changed. All the electronics are gone, done by the previous owner. Basically bare bones legal. And go out for a little ride tomorrow. I don't have a GoPro yet, but I'm gonna go out to Otay Lakes and go for a little ride out there. Alright, peace.